Hello and welcome to all my dear students to your own YouTube channel, that is Praveen Sir's PrepWin ICSE. In this video, I am going to talk about the revised syllabus for your biology ICSE class 10. As far as this subject biology is concerned, there is no great news for you because not much syllabus has been revised or deleted or reduced for you all. In fact, I will say that your seniors or a batch before you have studied 4 lessons less as compared to what you all have to study. तो मैं जानता हूँ ये सुनकर आपको बहुत दुख होगा कि आपको 4 लेसन्स एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ने हैं. If you see the index page of your textbook, you will see that chapter number 1 is omitted. But ये chapter कभी syllabus में था ही नहीं. This chapter is only for the revision purpose. इस chapter में कुछ टर्म्स कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट है आप लोगों को फ्रॉम योर 9th स्टैंडर्ड. यू शुड नो देम to understand 10th standard ka biology in a proper way. So this chapter was never there for the examination. This is just for your revision purpose. You can have a look at this chapter. But हाँ, इस chapter से आपको questions नहीं आने वाले हैं. Apart from all the remaining chapters, only one chapter is omitted, that is human evolution. ये पूरा का पूरा chapter जो है वो आपको पढ़ना नहीं है. You can see that except for chapter number 1 cell and chapter number 14 human evolution, पूरा का पूरा बाकी का टेक्स्ट बुक आपको पढ़ना है. There is a minor deduction and reduction as per a revised syllabus from 2 chapters. One paragraph is omitted from chapter number 6, that is photosynthesis. That paragraph is related to a carbon cycle. And from chapter number 12, which is endocrine system, again one paragraph is omitted, one small paragraph about feedback mechanism. You can see entire page number 1 to page number 7 related to chapter number 1 cell. No need to study that. Then moving on to page number 68, chapter number 6, photosynthesis. You can see this last paragraph of carbon cycle. You can cut this paragraph. Come to page number 77. This is the paragraph related to carbon cycle and diagram of carbon cycle. You can cancel this paragraph. From plant physiology, only this one paragraph of carbon cycle is omitted as per your revised syllabus. Come to page number 152, chapter number 12, endocrine system. Again, this paragraph is omitted. Have a look, page number 159, 12.4. This paragraph of feedback mechanism, this concept is omitted. This paragraph is the only omission from the human anatomy. Have a look, chapter number 14, human evolution, silver lining in the dark clouds. This entire chapter is omitted from page number 185 to page number 193. I don't want to rub salt on your wound. मुझे आपके जख्म के ऊपर नमक नहीं छिड़कना है. But yes, your seniors have studied these 4 chapters less. That is chapter number 7, chemical coordination in plants. Chapter number 13, human reproductive system. Chapter number 15 and 16, that is population and pollution. I hope you got the idea of the syllabus which is there for your class 10th board examination 2023. Don't lose heart. I'll always be there with you in your preparation. Please write your comment ki which chapter you want to learn from me. I'll definitely make a video on this chapter. That's all from me for now. See you all in my next video. Till then, all the best.